Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I'm going to go through a product called Print Monkey. Now Print Monkey is due to be released on Thursday the 11th of June at 9 AM Eastern, and it comes from Brendan Mace. So guys, in a nutshell, this product is basically the vendor's old review and bonus pages that he has packaged up for you as done for you campaigns which you can go ahead and drive traffic to and make money. So in this review, if you stick around, I'm going to explain why the only person that's going to make money out of a product like this is the vendor themselves, and also explain to you why the sales page is very misleading and is obviously designed to think you could get the same results as somebody like them. So guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new content, which not only is reviews, but is also tips and tricks about how to build a real business online. And guys, if you're interested in starting a business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So what we'll do is we'll go through the product, we'll take you through the members area, we'll go through the sales page, I'll explain some of the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product, and then I'll give you my summary. So guys, as usual, these reviews are based on my own opinion as someone who's spent many years buying products just like this one online. I understand what it takes to build a real business online. I want to give you some insights, especially if you're a beginner, so that you've got as much information as possible before you go ahead and purchase products like these. So just looking at the sales page, just a quick overview. You get a 15 affiliate campaigns. Now these are old products that the vendor has actually promoted themselves. You can use these as your own. You put your own affiliate links into these campaigns, and in theory you make money. You get instant commissions. The bonus pages are included. It's a 3-step system. It's newbie friendly, and all the pages are hosted on the vendor's site, so on this site itself. So let's jump straight into the members area and I'll show you around. So we're over in the members area now. If you've seen the last couple of products from this vendor, you'll recognize this members area because they're exactly the same. They're just rehashing the same product over and over with slightly different twists on it. But this is the actual members area. Now you have the campaigns on the left hand side here. You've got an option to either create a campaign or view your existing campaigns, and these are all the existing campaigns here. Now in this case, campaign is actually the pages that they've got for various promotions that they've done in the past. There's some instant traffic here, which is social media traffic. Now I've gone through social media traffic in nearly every review I've done. So essentially, let me just look at that first. I'm going to show you some social media traffic here. You can actually take your campaigns that you can make and you can share them to these various types of social media. So in danger of repeating myself, it doesn't matter where you share these. If you've got no audience, you're going to get no traffic and no sales. So again, social media traffic isn't a real traffic source, and this is yet again being advertised as if this is going to give you loads and loads of traffic and you're going to get sales off it. And I'm afraid, unless you've got an existing business, an existing following, then you're not going to get any traffic. And if you did have an existing business or an existing following, you wouldn't go anywhere near a product like this anyway. So there's all of these upgrades here: upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. Then you've got the support here. Total lack of training anywhere. I don't see where the training is on this site. This is a review copy, so there may be training added to it, but there's no training on here. So if I come over to the campaigns, you come over here and you can either manage your campaigns that you've already got, or you can create a new. So I'm going to create a new campaign. You put your Warrior Plus affiliate link in here, and then you pick the product that you're actually going to go ahead and promote. Now there's some extra ones here for one of the upgrades, but all of these products are really poor anyway, so you're actually going to be promoting poor products to start with to your friends and family if you end up doing it with social media. So let's just pick Flux one here, save and publish, and that's it. There's the review page, there's the bonus page. So if I come across here and I view my review page, this is the page that I'd actually go ahead and share. So this is the vendor themselves. This is where they actually go ahead and review the product. So you've got a done for you video here of the vendor. So it's not you, it's the vendor. Obviously you're showing their reviews, and then there's a bunch of various bonuses down here that you're going to go ahead and share, and that is it. The theory being here is that once you put your Warrior Plus ID in here, that anybody that clicks on this and actually buys it would get you a commission. So that's it. The bonus page is the same. There's no real training on how you would actually go ahead and share these bonuses, but if you want to share the bonuses, there's a bunch of them here when you do actually share them, obviously they're all Brendan's bonuses and stuff, so you have to log on to his list to get half of them, so he gets whoever you do drive to this product will end up sharing their email address with the vendor as well. So, it's a win-win for them. They end up selling this product to you, and they end up getting the email addresses of the folks that come along and sign up. Now, I don't see anywhere on here where there is any kind of autoresponder link here, so I can't see how you can collect anybody's email address off here. So this is kind of a one-time chance of people coming along here and actually clicking on these campaigns and earning you a bit of money. So I'm going to jump to the sales page because that is it for the members area. So I just jumped to the sales page here. Obviously they're talking about all of these being done for you campaigns, and they earn up to $1,000 a day and $1,500 a day, and it's like changing every time I look at this. So they're making lots and lots of money here. Now, just one thing, if you're a newbie, the way that these vendors make money is by selling these products, right? So initially their main source of earnings is selling products like this. Now, when that same vendor then goes and promotes other people's products, they've obviously got a huge list of buyers that they're promoting to. So this vendor will have thousands and thousands of people on his email list. He won't go ahead and share a random link on Facebook or Blogger or somewhere like that. He just emails out to his list and he makes thousands of dollars, right? Because he's got that many buyers on his list. You as a beginner will have nobody on your list, nobody to actually advertise this to, and you'll have nobody actually buying off you. These numbers are based on the fact that they're selling products and they're building up huge lists, which is fair enough, right? That's what they do. They're really, really good at selling things, and they're really, really good at getting lists together. But a lot of it is churn and burn type lists anyway. Lots of people unsubscribe, lots of people ask for refunds, but it's just a churn and burn model, right? And that's it. But you as a beginner, if you were to come along and buy this product, you won't get any kind of success with it, and it is no business whatsoever. So, you come down here, lots and lots of payment proof. They probably do earn lots and lots of money. I know the vendor earns an absolute fortune online. This graphic here gets on my nerves every time I look at a sales page these days because it's just completely made up. More proof of earnings, but again, this is what the vendor's making. He earns a fortune again. And then we come down to the bottom, and this is probably the most critical thing on here, is the 30-day money-back guarantee, and it's a guarantee of your money back, and that's probably the best thing on this sales page, guys. So just look at the proof. The real-world value of everything is $2,693, but you can get it for $12.95, so that's a real bargain. So that's the sales page, guys. You can go ahead and read through this at your leisure, but I advise you, if you're a beginner, to stay away from products like this. So on the upgrades, the front end is $12.95. There is various OTOs, traffic training, lifetime campaigns, easiest system ever, limitless traffic, OTO 5 is license rights. They haven't actually said how much these are on the review copies, but usually they're a couple of $100 for the limitless traffic and license rights. So, you'll have to see, if you do want to go ahead and purchase this, how much they're exactly going to be. I would really advise you, especially if you're a newbie, to keep away from this product. Pros is the 30-day money-back guarantee. And the cons, it's a very, very poor traffic solution. Social media isn't a traffic solution if you've got no following. You're already promoting bad products, so you're actually using a bad product to promote a bad product. The sales page is very misleading. It's based on the vendor's earnings, nowhere near what you would earn from having products like this. They're recycled reviews. So a lot of these reviews that people do, they're very popular for a couple of weeks, but then nobody's searching for that product anymore because it's gone, because these guys release stuff every single month without fail. Their products are very, very churn and burn. They just go, and people aren't interested in them anymore. So you're just looking at somebody luckily coming across your link and being suckered into buying something. So it's very recycled. They're not your own reviews. So where's your own business here? They're not your own reviews of a product. You haven't taken the time to actually look at a product and digest it and review it yourself. You're just using somebody else's reviews. So you're promoting them. It's not a real business. And the pages are hosted by a vendor. So when you ever have pages that are hosted by somebody else, then inherently you've got a real problem, because when this product disappears, which it will, then your pages are all going to be dead. So wherever you have shared them, your pages are gone because you're not hosting them on your own site or having videos on your own YouTube channel or whatever. So not good to have your pages hosted by others. So guys, I'm going to give this 2 out of 10 stars. It's really poor quality. Everybody who wants to really build a business online needs to avoid this. 2 out of 10 stars is only because the software does work and it would produce some kind of page for you to go ahead and share. But so guys, thanks for watching. I hope that gives you a little bit of insight into this product. At least you got a little bit more information before you go ahead and purchase. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell. I talk about a mixture of product reviews, tips and tricks and strategies to help you build a real business online. And guys, if you are interested in building a business, you can go and check out the link in the description below. It'll take you over to the School of Nomads and will take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.